We've come very far, enduring many hardships. But at last, we found a place where we can be safe.
These Marwan kids, how well do you know them? It's just the worry me, always hiding away from the community.
They're not hiding, they live too far away. Get close together, come on! What are we going to do?
I don't know, but if the truth comes out, they'll separate us.
Good luck, Mr. Marwan.
He just let them all walk home.
Get close to the bridge, and then he goes down to the tunnel.
Through the tunnel, he goes all the way up.
Careful, Jack.
Sam went into Mother's room. He says he saw something in there.
You have no idea what you're getting into.
We need to tell Ladder the truth.
Nothing, no one, ever will separate us.